Hello friends, I'm Nashik from blogtoot.com, and today in this video I'll introduce you to Envato Elements, a new free plugin in the market which is really amazing, and it is amazing for many different reasons. Now this plugin will give you free pre-made layouts for Elementor, so you have pre-made page templates for Elementor that you can simply click on one single button and you have this complete template on your website. Now you might be thinking, this thing is already present in the market. Even Elementor has its own pre-made layout. So what is so special about this thing? So there are many different things that are really special and amazing about this particular plugin. The most important thing is that it is made by Envato. Now Envato is the company behind ThemeForest, Code Canyon, those kind of platforms. Now those are the biggest platform for premium WordPress themes and plugins. So Envato is a very big company and they have created some really professional design for you, and those are all free designs. So that is another advantage, that all the elements are free. You also get free images when you import a template. The design is really good, it is professionally built. The design is very much consistent. So unlike Elementor, in Elementor we had a page, we can import a page. So suppose I imported the about page, okay, say about this page, but when I import some contact us page, the design is not consistent. But here we have a consistent design throughout the website. Now it is mobile friendly and it is very much better than the Elementor pre-built templates. Okay, so first let's see how we can use them, how we can get all those things. Now before that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. If you have already done that, click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates. If this video helps you, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends. If you have any doubt, any suggestions for me, you can leave them in the comments section below. With that being said, let's get into it. First of all, come to your dashboard and we need to install that free plugin. So our plugins, and click on add new. Now search for Envato. And this is the plugin that we need to install, Envato Elements Template Kits. Now this is the beta version, but this is quite good. There's an update available. Let me update that. Now you'll see install now button. You simply have to click on install now, and after that you have to click on activate button. Now once you do so, you will get a new tab at the left hand side at the bottom. If you see elements, let's click on elements. Alright guys, now as you can see, there are so many designs pre-built for you. First one is lifestyle gym. So there's a gym design, and as I said you earlier, the design is consistent. As you can see, the colors, the fonts, everything that is used in this design is consistent. Now if you want to see them in detail, you can simply click on them. You will see a detailed or bigger view of that. You can click on some other design. This is the schedule page, this is the pricing page. Okay, as you can see, this is the services page. Now this is one version of services page, another version of services page. So there are different versions of same page. If you see at the bottom, you'll see this scroll bar. You can scroll, and as you can see, in just one single kit you have so many different designs. Okay, so if you want, you can simply use them. For contact also we have two different versions. Okay, so all these images that is used, the design, the colors, the font is consistent throughout the website. So that is really amazing. So we have this design over here. We have this yoga studio, nightclub, web agency, factory, barber. We have different designs for almost any kind of website, bakery, tattoo studio, so many awesome things over here. And at the bottom you see this pagination, which means that there are more pages and there are more designs. Now let's just import one design and let's see how this works. So suppose I want to import this design. This is the home page one. Now there are two options available over here. You can simply click on this import template. What this will do is it will import this as a draft page, and once you're satisfied with that, you can publish that page. Or what you can do, you can simply create a new page from here and click on create new page. So let me do that. So this is the home page for factory. So home factory, you can simply type in the page name, click on create new page. Now as you can see at the bottom, it says page created with this template. Now you can simply click on this link and you will be redirected to that page, Elementor edit page. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have the design over here. Now as I said you earlier, the design is consistent. If you see the color, yellow color, it's all consistent throughout the website. Now this is the home page. If you download or if you import the about page or the contact page of this kit, this particular version, you'll see the design and color will be consistent in that too. You also get these images for free, and if you see, let's see, you can see the design is so professional, so neat and clean, because obviously this is made by professionals, some really high level guys. Okay, so you have all these things over here. This is the home page, so you can do some changes over here. You can change the title, the button, whatever you like. You can change this from here, click on publish, and it will publish your home page. Now what you can do, for example, if you want to create another page for the same design, for example, homepage version 2, homepage version 3, so you have different versions of homepage, whatever you like, you can import that. We also have different versions of about page. Okay, so suppose I like this version of the about page. Okay, this looks quite good, so I'll simply type in about factory so that I know that this is the about page for this factory layout. Click on create new page. Now we have this link, click on this link. Now as you can see, again, if you compare the home page and the about us page, the design and everything, the images, the logos, the colors, everything is consistent. Now this, you might think, this is not a big deal, but it is actually. Now let me explain you one thing. Now let me cut this entire page, and let me show you the templates that is available in the market apart from this one. So if you want to import the template from this Elementor thing, you can click on this button, and let me show you what happens over here. So here you have this page template for home page and all those things. For example, if I want this template, this home page template, now if I go to about us section, I don't see the same version, the similar version of the home page. We don't see the about us in the similar version. Okay, so that is a problem. So your home page will look totally different. Then when someone will go to your about page, it will look totally different. So that is not what is recommended. That is not professional. That is not how professional websites are built. So that is a great thing about this template, that the style is consistent, all the fonts, all the thing is really well built. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce this new and awesome and free plugin to you guys. You can use this, it's free. You can start creating your pages, you can start importing them, you can start using this. I think you will really enjoy this thing because the designs are really cool. Okay, so that is it for this video. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this awesome plugin. It's free plugin, so you can simply go ahead and start using this plugins. Just simply import it, import all the elements, create your own designs. You can change a few things from here, and it will look totally different. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Click on that red subscribe button and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up to this video. If you have any doubt, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you soon.